Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use the global tracks in Soundful. So, let's dive right into it. Begin with your Soundful dashboard. Direct your attention to the left sidebar and locate the Global Tracks option. This is where the heart of global musical inspiration resides. Within the Global Tracks section, a tapestry of musical possibilities unfolds before you. Choose the template that resonates with your creative vision. Keep in mind that templates adorned with a crown symbol are exclusively available to those with upgraded plans. Glide your cursor over your selected global track, then gracefully click on the sound wave icon, which means to create. This simple action initiates the transformation. Next, embrace the Create Preview button to summon a preview of your musical canvas. Here's where your imagination takes the lead. Mold and refine the template to reflect your unique style. With your creative touches complete, seal the journey by saving your masterpiece. Your musical creation is now ready to shine. And there you have it. Navigating global tracks in Soundful is a breeze, enabling you to infuse your distinct essence into the worldwide of musical foundations. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.